你好，我今天来帮你会说中文。Hello, my name is Harisu. So we are going to continue. We are going to continue to teach you how to speak in Chinese language translated to English language translated to Hausa language. So, like I said now, you say Bohaoyisi. Bohaoyisi. That means I am sorry. Bohaoyisi. I am sorry. Buhauyesi shine ka yi haƙuri da yaren Chinese. Buhauyesi shine ka yi haƙuri da yaren Chinese. Chin shine please. Chin please. Chin please. Chin shine ka yi haƙuri kamar chin ne kai bawo mai don shi ma. Please, can you buy something to me? Chin ne kai bawo mai don shi ma. Ka yi haƙuri za ka iya siya min wani abu. My, that is buy. Don shi, that is something, something. Or understand? So you can use it to talk like that. If you say how my wenti, how my wenti, you understand? Okay, or it's good, no problem. It's okay, no problem. It's good, no problem. All is the same thing. Or you can use the how, you can use that type. Great, you understand? Good, you understand? So my wenti, that means no problem. How my wenti, no problem. How my wenti, no problem. How, that is good. My wenti, that is not problem. How shine ba damuwa, yayi kyau kenan, mai kyau. Mai wanti shine babu matsala. Are you getting me? So like I said now, if you want to say ni naga, like say you forget something, so you want to try to remember this thing. You want to remember something that you forget it. You can use the language, that Chinese language, to speak, say naga. That means naga dunshi. Like I say now, if I something like me now, so if I forget something, but I need to recognize that thing, which thing, you understand? So I can say naga, or I need to call somebody name, so I forget his name. So I can say naga. Else if I can't remember his name, and then I can say Naga Harisu or Naga Hamza or so name like that. That means Naga. That means it's just to remember the person name or the something where you want to speak. Naga shine yake fasara game da abun da kaman ka mance shi haka kana son ka kira ko suna ko kuma sunan wasu abubuwa hakan nan wanda dai kana son ka haɗu da shi. To shi za ka iya faɗa da yaren China, za ka iya ce naga. Kamin nan ka samu wannan abun ya zo maka a baki sai ka faɗe shi. Naga wato wannan kenan. Naga. Just that means ka manta abun amma dai kana ƙoƙarin ka tuna shi kenan. Shine naga. Kun fahimta? So like I said now, wageni show. If you say wageni show, that means hi, listen to me. I am talking to you. Wageni show. Hi, listen to me. I am talking to you. You understand? Jama'a ku saurare ni ina magana da ku. That means, you understand? Wageni show. That means hi, I'm talking to you. Listen to me. You understand? Wageni show. Hi jama'a ku saurare ni ina magana da ku. Shine hi. You understand? And hi. You understand? I listen to me. I am talking to you. Wo, that is me. You understand? Gini, that is talk. You understand? Ni show, that is you, I'm talking to you. Show, that means you. You understand? N- Ni gini show. Ni, that is ni shine kai. Abin da ake nufi da ni shine kai. Show, that is magana kenan. You understand? You understand? Oh, wo gini show. Ni, wo, that is me. Wo, that is me. You understand? Gini, that is I talk. You understand? I give you. Show, that is talking. You understand? So, kamar irin wannan, in da ka yi amfani da su ka yi magana, so za ka iya yin magana ka ce, wo gini show chuwa mi mai dunshi, o wo gini show chu jali mai dunshi, o wo gini show chu shi chan mai dunshi, o wo gini show chu choshi mai dunshi, ni mayo mai giwo, wai shi ma. You understand? Za ka iya magana ka ce wo gini show. If you say wo gini show, you understand? I give you a talk. You understand? Go outside to buy me something. You refuse. I ask you to go. I ask you to go home and buy me something. You refuse. I ask you to go and to go market to buy me something. You refuse. I ask you to go supermarket to buy me something. You refuse. Why not? Why? Why shima? That is why. Why shima? Why shima ni je yana? Why are you so like this? Yaya haka kake? Or me yasa haka kake? You understand? So something like that. So I want you guys to understand. Ina son irin wannan abubuwa kan wannan ku siya ku fahimce shi mai kyau. Ko ba haka ba? Kamar yanzu za ka iya ce, you understand? And like I say now, za ka iya magana kamar za ka iya repeating na wannan question sai ka ce, wo gini, wo gini show tin, you understand? Wo gini show tin show woda, ko wo gini show tin show woda loban minten koija. Wo gini show minten woda loban koija. I hear that tomorrow my boss is going back to home. Wo gini show minten woda loban koija. Na ji labarin wai mai gidana gobe zai koma gida. Shine wo gini show tin show woda loban koija. Are you getting me? So irin wa'innan abubuwan, na ji mai gidana gobe zai koma gida. Wo gini show minten woda loban koija. So like I say now, if you say go back, you understand? Go back, that means koija. You understand? Wo, that is me. Gini show, I'm talking. You understand? Oh, I hate it. You understand? Naji labari, I hate it. Minten, that is tomorrow. Woda loban, that is my boss. Koija, that is go back home. You understand? Koija, ja, that is house. You understand? Home. Jali, that is home. So we're gonna show maintain woda loban koija. Are you getting me? Like I said now, wajautin, wajautin kuichu shichan mai dunshi. Wajautin kuichu shichan mai dunshi. Understand? Or you can times that one, you can say wazauten, kuichu wazauten chu shichan. You understand? My fan sui, or my fan shendi sui. Are you getting me? So you can use that language to talk. Wo zauten chu shichan my shendi fin sui. understand? Yesterday, zauten, that is yesterday. You understand? Chu, that is go. You understand? Shi chan, that is market. Mai, that is buy. Shin fin sui, new bottle water. You understand? Go, shekaran jiya na tafi market, na je kasuwa, na je na siya ruwa, sabon ruwa na gora. That means 我有天 去市场买鲜冰水。Are you getting me? Shekaran jiya na tafi kasuwa, na je na siya sabon ruwa na gora. Fin, you understand? Fin, that is bottle. Shui, that is water. You understand? So if we do this, you understand, that means you don't get it already. Fin shui. You understand? Or you can say 我昨天去市场，然后买了fin薪水。You understand? 然后 that means and I buy, or anything you can put you can put 然后. If you say 然后, that means something they inside front. 然后. Understand? 我昨天去市场，然后买新冰水。You understand? Jiya na tafi kasuwa sannan na siya sabon ruwan gora na swan wata. Understand? Shin fin sui, sabon ruwa. Shin, that is new. You understand? Fin, that is that is bottle. Sui, that is water. Are you getting me? 我昨天去市场，然后买鲜冰水。So like I say now, uh, uh, like I say now, 买球，that means is different. 买球 or 买球 is not different. It's not different. Kaman abu bai kala ɗaya ba, za ka iya ce 买球. Like something is not equal, you can even call it 买球. That is, the thing is not the same. Abun bai yi kala ɗaya ba, shine ake kira da 买球. Ka gane? Ko 我在忙，明天再讲了。我在忙，明天再讲了。I am busy. Tomorrow we can talk. 我在忙，忙 that is, understand? Man is busy. 明天 that is tomorrow. 再讲了 that is to talk. Understand? 我在忙，明天再讲了。So I am busy today. Tomorrow we can talk. 我在忙，明天再忙了。Sorry. So like now, so I can talk like say now. So 我买戏，我买戏，我买戏. That means 我买戏 or 买问题. Understand? Or 我买戏, that means don't worry. 我买戏 don't worry. 我买戏 don't worry. or you can even say my wanti, my wanti, that is not problem, babu damuwa, shine mai wanti, babu damuwa. Kamar yanzu idan na ce ni joy jan, ni joy jan shisho zamayan, ni joy jan shisho zamayan. How is your school? How is your school? Ni, that is you. Joy jan, how, you understand? Shisho, school, zamayan. How your school? How is your school? Ni joy jan, ni joy jan, ni joy jan. You understand? Ni joy jan. That means how is. You understand? Ni joy jan shi show. Jamayan. How is your school? Ni joy jan shi show jamayan. Oh, like I say now, wo, and like I say now, oh, 今晚现在几点？ You understand? 今晚现在几点？今晚现在几点？今晚现在几点？ Please, what is the time now? 今晚 You understand? Like I say, you want to ask, or please, you understand? Or excuse me, 今晚 or if I may ask, what is the time now? 今晚 You understand? 今晚现在几点？我今晚现在几点？ If I may ask, what is the time now? Yanzu, idan na tambaya lokaci yanzu, mene lokaci? Mene lokaci? That means what? That means 今晚现在几点? So everybody wanna see our own channel or our own lessons again, just click Chinese Hausa TV, so you're gonna see us there. And then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and then don't forget to like and share and comment. So thank you. Duk wanda yana son ya ƙara kallon shirye-shiryenmu a wannan channel mai suna ɗan Najeriya, mai suna Chinese Hausa TV, so za ku iya ganin mu a wannan wuri, kuma za mu ci gaba da kawo muku lesson wanda za ku ringa fahimta kuma za ku ringa ganewa. Na gode, sai anjima. Zai jan. Goodbye.